List the domain and range of the following set of ordered pairs. Okay, you remember when we were talking about independent and dependent variables? For each of these you have independent, dependent, independent, dependent. The first one is the question, that's the independent, and the second value is the dependent. The domain is all the values of the independent variable, meaning it's all the first numbers, all the x's. So your domain, here we get 1, second point we get 0, it can be 3, it can be 5, and it can be -3. Now, just to polish this up, when you're giving a domain, it is expected that you will put those points in order from low to high. So the proper way to do this is -3, 0, 1, 3, and 5. And you put the whole thing in curly brackets like this. These are also called braces or accolades, but that's the standard way of giving a domain. For the range, the same thing happens. The range is the dependent variable, meaning the second coordinate in each of these. So from that we get 2. From here we get 5. Third one we get 8. And we get 9. And then we get 2 again. So our range, in braces once again, again we want to go from low to high. 2. Now, we've already listed 2, there is no need to mention it again. I don't care that it happened twice, you only have to list it once for each value. So 2 is covered, then we have 5, and then we have 8, and then we have 9. The domain and range don't have to be the same length. In this case we have 5 different values for x and only 4 different values for y. That's fine, that happens all the time. Over here, let's see what we get for our domain. X coordinates we get 3. Here we get 0. We get -3. We get 2. And we get -8. Put those in order, low to high, and it goes -8, -3, 0, 2, 3 would be after that. For our range, we get 3, 3 again, 3 yet again, 9, and 3. Okay, well this will be an easy range. The range is 3 and 9. They would have done this to hammer home the point that just because a number happens over and over again in your list doesn't mean you treat it any differently when you're writing your domain and range. You just say, yeah, here's the numbers that could happen, 3 or 9. 3 happens a lot, but we still only list it once.